Good day everyone, I'm back with another quick video. Just doing my workout and I thought there's a quick idea I wanted to share with you guys. I had this again faster bench for a while, and that's a commercial flat bench. I'm really heavy with that thing, but it's a relatively heavy bench. So that's basically I don't know, probably again fastest answer to the Rogue what is it called, competition bench or something like that, so with the feather pad. So what I did, one of my dogs, you can just watch out there. Yeah, I just went to the hardware store and, yeah, I know, she wants to shake hands. Went to the hardware store and I just added those wheels here. So I think they were about $6 New Zealand each, and I used the self-tapping screws here. I could have got cheaper wheels, but I wanted them in black, so it kind of looks a bit more professional. And over here, it would work fine with if you just grab the bench and wheel it up, but I thought just to make it even better, hang on, I just get the light. I just bought one of those handrail brackets, you know, those old wooden handrails, where it's like a bracket going this way and the other one going that way. So I just cut that one off with the grinder and smoothed it out and then sanded it a bit and repainted it. Painted those screws before I drilled them in. And now I'll probably just put a bit of tubing or something on top so it's nice and smooth, but it's really solid already. Just careful with the dog. Yeah, now you can simply go back and forth with that bench and it's a lot easier. So for a few dollars, that's something to think about. If you have a cheaper bench and you want to improve it, or you have some people make their own bench out of wood, then yeah, you can definitely improve it. Or if you have things like something like that leg press or even a half rack or something, and you want to be able to wheel it out of the way, you could probably bolt them to the back and then lift it. I mean, that thing is only like 100 kgs or so. But yeah, just think even like a squat stand or half rack or something like that. So just as a thought, you just get yourself those wheels that don't turn, the straight ones. And I made sure I get the better ones that actually have a bolt rather than a rivet. So if you ever have to replace them or to even just take them out to grease the pin or so, it's easier. So yeah, just a thought. It's an easy way to improve things or make things a bit flexible. So a bit puffed, I'm just doing squats at the moment. So yeah, I hope this was helpful for some people. And me and the dogs, we see you in the next video. Bye.